Well, today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. Starting the bike ride at 9 minutes after 11. A little earlier than yesterday. Temperature is 74 degrees. Wind is out of the southwest at 8 miles an hour with gusts at 17 miles an hour. Cloudy, overcast, I guess we'll call it. I'm riding the Linsky R300 bike today. I'm riding, going to go south and then east to, I'm going to try to go to FM 2100 again today. Hopefully the Fair Lake Lane is open. And if I get there in good shape, I may go on to Ramsey Road. Riding east over Lake Houston on FM 1960. The last time I crossed Lake Houston, it wasn't chilly, but today the wind is out of the southwest, and it is chilly coming off of the lake. I'm riding east on Old Atascocita Road. There's a approaching bicyclist. Back on Fair Lake Lane, around the S-curve, the city of Houston was patching two big potholes. They've been there for quite a while. I'm glad that they're filling those in. There's another cyclist. All right. I'm on the east side of FM 2100. After crossing over us, I haven't seen anything that tells me why traffic is backed up on Monday. No problem today on traffic on Fair Lake Lane. Looks like they're getting ready to pour a driveway here.